Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great rest of your, great, cut it. Alright guys, welcome back to another video today. Today we got a special part. Right now in my hand, I got a high flow catalytic converter. Let's open it up and see how it looks. My appointment's today, we're about to head there after I show you guys all this, but here is the high flow cat. I don't know if you guys not gonna be able to see through it, but actually you can see the other end. And usually with high flow with normal catalytic converters, it's so like blocked up in there, you can't really see it. So this should give me a little bit more performance. I'm not expecting like a whole lot out of it, but I am expecting just a little bit because more airflow I've seen means more air that the engine can suck up in, and obviously more power. So we're gonna get that installed because it should more power. But I am very excited. I've been waiting for this for like a week, not a long time, but it's a long time for me because I love car parts. So guys, we'll catch up with you guys when we get there. We're gonna see if we can record when we get there, but so we'll see you guys when we get there and get the part installed.
How are you feeling?
Nervous. Alright guys, so they're cutting the catalytic converter right now because I guess I have two of them on my car, so they're taking the smaller one off because that's the part that I bought. It's over there. So my car's up on there, they start cutting and welding, and I'm hoping it makes my car more power and sound a little bit more different. They're welding the catalytic converter on right now.
I repeat, those people have slamming. Thirsty boy.
This one takes forever. Alright, I have to cut the clip, but so as you saw, the high flow cat got installed. Alright, it was so worth it. My car, when you downshift or rev match and everything like that, and you upshift, it pops a lot, and I love the sound of popping sound. It's probably because there's more gas flow out the back, so the engine can take up more air. But so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's not gonna be the longest video out there. It's just a quick little video I wanted to make. I didn't want to record too much out there because I didn't know how they would react or like if I did. But they did such a great job installing it. Fair enough price, kind of out there, but it was a decent price. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to next week's video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.